Oh, I am a princess, a princess, a princess. Oh, I am a princess, and this is what I do.
I want to be a princess too. Aha! Daddy, I'm a princess, and you will be the king of my palace.
Huh? A what?
Rapunzel likes to comb her hair, to comb her hair, to comb her hair. Rapunzel likes to comb her hair all day long.
I really want some magic hair too.
Oh?
Ah!
Snow White likes to dance around, dance around, dance around. Snow White likes to dance around through the forest trees.
Oh, she's so pretty. I want another dress so I can sing and dance in the woods.
The way I sing and dream, sing and dream, sing and dream. This is the way I sing and dream and meet my prince one day. This is the way I sing and dream, sing and dream, sing and dream. This is the way I sing and dream and meet my prince one day. Now let's try Jasmine. This is the way that I explore, I explore, I explore. This is the way that I explore on the magic carpet. This is the way that I explore, I explore, I explore. This is the way that I explore on the magic carpet. Oh, thank you.
Crown princess.
This is the way we sing and dance, sing and dance, sing and dance. This is the way we sing and dance on this lovely day. This is the way we sing and dance, sing and dance, sing and dance. This is the way we sing and dance on this lovely day. Yay! Wow!
Wow, you have a beautiful home. Thanks. It's great having you.
Oh, what a cute baby girl. Do you want to play with me in my room? You can be a princess for the day. A pretty princess dresses up, dresses up, dresses up. A pretty princess dresses up early in the morning. A princess likes to dance around, dance around, dance around. A princess likes to dance around in her fancy clothes. First, we need a beautiful dress. Here it is, the Cinderella dress. And here is your handsome prince. Let's put on your princess dress, princess dress, princess dress. Let's put on your princess dress, I'll help you get inside. Around the room we spin around, spin around, spin around. Around the room we spin around, dancing day and night. A princess must have a beautiful hairstyle and makeup. Come with me, you will be a beautiful princess. This is the way we fix our hair, fix our hair, fix our hair. This is the way we fix our hair when we are a princess. Now let's put your sparkles on, sparkles on, sparkles on. Add some color, then we're done. You're ready for the ball. What's missing? I know. A princess needs her crown. And of course, and a pair of beautiful shoes. Here they are. wonderful! But how will the princess get to the palace?